Good morning, friends. It's Miss Sheila, and I'm here to talk to you today about another freebie that is zero waste, finding things that you can use at your home to help your child sort colors. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about ice cube trays and how to use them. So what I did was I have an ice cube tray. Right now I have a refrigerator that makes my ice cubes for me, so I don't have any use for this tray anymore. So I grabbed a few of my Sharpie markers from around my house, and as you can see, I colored in the tray with different colors: red, blue, orange, yellow, green, basically all of the colors of a rainbow. I know black is not on the rainbow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my child, whether it be a special ball, a pom-pom, a special small little bouncy ball, a cotton ball if I don't have one, or puffs. How many of our babies love puffs? So you can get one. Ask your child, I want to see you put it in the yellow. Let's see how many cereal pieces we can fit in the yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also use this to make patterns. The first side does have the colors of the rainbow so that your child can learn their colors. And the second side you can use to make a pattern. And some people, I left this one blank because not everybody is like me. Not everybody wants to use magic markers, permanent markers. These are some old PJ Masks stickers that I have. And if you'll notice, the ones at the bottom that would fit in this tray, they do have different colors. There are also some at the top that you can color in. So you can still choose something that your child likes and put it in the tray to identify colors. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. You can put that on this side. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Have your child guess what's going to come next. This is the beginning of teaching them how to make a pattern. And you didn't have to do anything to leave your house. All you had to do was run out to your shed or look under your cabinets, and you found this free ice cube tray, some permanent markers, or some stickers if you prefer. Puff cereal. Like I said, you can use a cotton ball, you can use little buttons, anything that you might have, as long as you know your child's not going to swallow it. That's the point. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you try it, please send me a picture. Thank you.